What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we got the E39 in the garage. We got Humphreys and Kareem back here. And today's video, we are doing yet another headlight DIY. Even though I said I was never going to do another one. But unfortunately, aftermarket headlights for the OEM Xenon models, or by Xenon models, like don't exist. So we got some new angel eyes. We got some new lenses with clear corners. We got some new LED bulbs for the by Xenon projectors. We'll unbox this for you guys before getting started to work, but thankfully the removal process of the headlight assembly isn't that difficult. We don't have to remove the front bumper like in the E9X and forward chassis. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. All right, we got brand new lenses. I don't know who makes them. We just got them on eBay because everyone who like wanted the clear lenses got them off of eBay, and they're actually like very nice.
Let's hope no scratches, man.
Headlights are cracked.
You sound nice. That was my first time too seeing them. That would be nice.
Wait, what cracks?
Sure.
That is clean.
Oh, the clear corners. The clear corners. Try not to get any dust on the inside.
Yeah.
Oh, the clear corners.
Bro.
Dude, this is crazy.
So
we have the we have the amber US spec corner lights. So now we're gonna finally have clears. Cause dude, honestly, Euro, JDM, anything other than US, like I hate US's regulation to have amber on everything. It's so stupid. But yeah, as you can see, the lens is very clean. We're just probably gonna button this back up during the removal process so we don't get any dust on it. Here are the angel eyes. So it's from iJDM Toy. Only reason I know this brand is because I think it was like 6-7 years ago, Evan Beckerman from Throttle, he had an E46 M3 that he had just wrapped like a vibrant lime green, kind of looks like that. He put these angel eyes in and it was like a super easy install, so we just have to do that and then it should be good to go. Other than that, it's just the butyl glue and then the new bulbs. So yeah, we're gonna start the removal process and then bake these joints.
It's gonna be fun.
Alright guys, that's really easy. It's just 4 bolts holding it and then you just sort of push it out from the inside. And now we're just going to bake the headlights, remove the lenses, and we should be good to go. I need to make sure what to remove beforehand so it doesn't get fried in the oven. However, first I need to remove this trim and then figure out what I need to take out. So catch you guys in. Alright guys, so basically what you just saw, I already put this back together, but essentially, as you can see under here, I made a little slit. Don't ignore ignore this one right here. It's very bad. This one is like almost perfect. Essentially, I just made a little slit so that the angel eye like mounting tab has somewhere to go, and then up here I was able to put the clips in. However, on this side I shaved it down and I actually did manage to get them in, but I kind of put a little bit too much force, so they cracked. Well, this clip cracked and this one can't go in, and I don't really feel like taking it apart again. So what I did was I just zip tied it, and it's honestly it's pretty good. you like from the road you'll see the headlight like this, so like you won't even see that whatsoever. So we're straight. The rest will be, well, I'm gonna test fit this and wire it, because I don't really know how to wire it yet. There's no instructions, but I'll figure it out. Trust me, I'll figure it out. But yeah, so far so good. Progress is really easy. Very OEM fit, but yeah, super excited so far. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god. Wait. Right. Auto headlights are off. Oh my god, this is it. We did it. Chat, we did it. Chat, we actually freaking did it. Oh my god. Yeah. God, I'm not an electrician whatsoever. All right, what's up, guys? I got Javi's on FaceTime right now. So basically, as you saw in the last clip, the angel eyes were spotty because I haven't actually mounted the ground yet. I was just tapping it into the negative terminal in the engine bay. But I opened up the DME. I tapped in the accessories cable using a T-tap, and it's working perfectly fine, as you can see. Angel eyes are looking very good, and this is on second click, and the auto headlights are turned off. So basically, if the headlights aren't turned on at all, the angel eyes are acting as the DRLs. So this is exactly what I wanted. This white cable I haven't wired yet because it's supposed to connect to the footwell light, so that when you unlock the car with the key, it actually turns on. But I have to figure that out because the white cable isn't long enough to go into or in through past the firewall into the footwell light, which is in the door. So I have to do more research, but there was absolutely no instruction manuals whatsoever. So yeah, I'll give you guys a closer look in a bit, but I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, guys, this is a quick update. Everything has been buttoned back up. As you can see, the cable is the wire is cable managed through here up into here. It's grounded on this thing. Goes into the DME. This white wire, actually, I extended it, and it goes through the weather stripping into the left, into the underside of the left cabin air filter, and it goes through the hole where the hood latch cable goes through and into the kick panel of the driver side, and I'm going to tap that into the footwell cable so that when you unlock the car with the key, the welcome lights turn on like all the newer BMWs, such as my E90 and more. I don't know, it's like 2 a.m. right now, I can't speak, but I'm very happy with the current situation so far. Now I'm just gonna work on tapping it into the actual footwell light, and we should be good to go. But after this, we're gonna go for a quick test drive, especially because it's nighttime, so we get to see how bright the lights actually are. So I'm just gonna get that done real quick, and then we should be good to go. All right, guys, so this is basically what I was talking about. Obviously brown is ground. The red and blue wire is the power wire. I'm going to tap it in the kick panel area, but first I'm going to solder the original wire to the extended wire that I connected to it, and then we'll give it a test drive. But until we get a new key, we won't actually know if it works. But if that still works after I tap into it, it should work just fine. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna do a test drive.
Look at those eyes.
Basically finished 3 in the morning.
Literally, bro. In the dark. Look at it in the dark. Oh my god, bro.
He should turn off the car and then you turn it back on, like in the dark.
Dude, these are look, come here. Oh my god, guys, it turned out so well. It literally is a night and day difference, no pun intended, but like they're just so clear. Like you'll see, like I honestly was a fan of the yellow, especially with how old this car is, but it won't fit the end result of this build. And
3 in the morning.
yeah, it's literally 3 a.m. right now, guys. Like I have not had any sleep whatsoever, but oh my god, I'll show you guys this in the morning, but it looks so good. Like it just looks so good. This is your car.
These are work. These are his master right here.
At least slave for this all week.
This is all him, bro.
No, like look how clean
Like they're actually like the old lenses used to be no, they're so clear.
Made his car like 10 years newer.
On God.
It is as bright as
like it's so crazy. All right, guys, these are the E39 halos next to the E90 halos. This is so crazy. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is so crazy. This is actually the BMW stare. The BMW stare. All right, guys, so I actually forgot, but I have these new license plate lights, and I'm going to install them because it's just they're exactly like the E90 lights. You just get a flat head, pop them out, and then obviously self-explanatory from there. So we're gonna do those real quick, and then I'll show you guys how they look, and then we'll have both front and rear lights LEDs. The only thing that would be left is replacing the reverse light bulbs and making those LEDs, and then I think it's set. I'm not going to be changing any of the interior cabin lights because I really like the cavern vibes the interior lights give. It's a very like homey environment, but exterior lights, I'm making them all LEDs, and I think everything is wrapping together very well, but I'll just catch you guys after we do this install. All right, guys, they're a little bright for my liking. These remind me of like when I had my E30 and I bought Amazon license plate lights. They're just like way too bright. I was honestly looking for ones that resemble my E90, but I couldn't find any. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna buy like 5% tint and then tint these so they're not as bright, but honestly it doesn't look that bad. It just, we have rear headlights.
Oh my god, man, we have literally rear headlights.
No, but honestly, car's coming along.
Nah, it's actually good.
You can see the fronts. Wait, the side profile kind of geeks. I'll literally show you guys this in a minute. Wait, the side profile like actually is hilarious. There's the front headlights. Those are the rear headlights, guys.
That is actually good on it. Like, okay, we want to make this car like 10 years newer, but this is not even.
Nah,
like...
this is like ridiculous. I'm definitely gonna tint that because that's way too bright.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys probably can't see on camera, but it is a lot dimmer. I'll try to show you this the best I can, but you guys obviously can't see this in the dark. I mean, while it's illuminated, but there is a layer of, I believe, 20% tint on it. I think it does a job because it used to be extremely bright. However, now it's a lot more understated. It's not just like this bright sun level light on the license plate, so I'm very happy with it so far. If I want it to be a little dimmer, I might tint it a little bit more, but I don't think I'll be tinting it anymore because in my opinion this is perfect for me. So yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the halos and the fog lights with the brand new LEDs. They're looking very good, and if I turn on, oh, it's so cool guys. If I turn on the actual headlights themselves, you'll see a madness. Yeah, it's a full whiteout, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to be doing the welcome light, so like the angel eyes turn on when you unlock the car later, because I don't even have a functioning key right now. Our fob battery is dead, and it's a long story. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Stay tuned on what's next for the E39, because we're doing a lot of TLC. You can call it TLC or you can call it preparation. Make of that what you will, but don't forget, nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.